So there's palladium, right? So if I want to do the electron configuration for palladium, right, it would be for PD, okay? Its electron configuration. I'm going to do the whole thing again, okay? So 1s2, right? 2s2, right? So that represents 1s2 right there. I mean, that's just the whole thing. I really wish it would just move this guy over here, right? The helium should really be right there, but whatever. And then 2s2, that takes care of those. And then 2p6, right? And then we start back over on this row here, so we're on 3 now. 3s2. And then next row on the P block is that one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 3p6. Okay. So we'll wrap back around again to the fourth row right here. That's 4s2. That takes care of that. And then, we're on the D block now, right? So remember, it's always the N for the D block, right? For the D block, the N equals N minus 1. And so here we'll start, even though we have 4 here, the D block's going to start with 3. 3D 10, right? Because we take care of all these 10 electrons right here to get to, on our way to getting to palladium. And then we jump back up to the N equals 4 right there for the 4 P's. The 4p orbital right there. P46, right? We'll come back around again to the 5th period, or the 5th row. So that's 5s2, right? And then here we are, we're in the same row now as palladium, but again, it's a D block, right? So it's N minus 1, so it's going to be 4 instead of 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, did I miscount? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There, 7, 8. So 8 electrons gets you to right there where palladium is. So that's going to be 4d8, right, for palladium. That's the full electron configuration for palladium. Okay. And so, sorry, that should be an S right there. It doesn't look like an S to me, but it's an S. Let me fix it real quick because it looks a little bit weird. Excuse me. Looks like a 5. There we go. So now if I want to do a condensed version, right, all I have to do is go to the nearest noble gas that's ahead of it, which is that one. That's krypton. Forgot the P in krypton, right? And so all you have to do then is, if you want to do that, all you have to do then is, for the condensed electron configuration, is say that it's all the same as krypton up to the 5s2, right? So you say that by saying Kr in brackets, and then you put in what's left over. And I don't know why I keep on writing these like things here that shouldn't be here. Oops. I'm still in the eraser. My bad. So 5s2, 4d8. And so that's how you do the electron configuration for both condensed and expanded for palladium, right? But they're all the same thing, right? If I ask you for any kind of electron configuration, they're all done the same way. The only thing that you got to remember, though, is that you have anything then the D block right there, that the N will not be equal to N. The N has to be equal to N minus 1 for the D block. But just for the D block elements, okay?